Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reshape your picture on the Photoshop application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the home button and then tap on photo editor in the left side. Select the picture you want to edit, so tap on the photo, and then at the bottom of the page you can find these options and tabs, so slide to the right side until you find the reshape feature. Click on it and then you should use this circle, so touch and swipe with your fingers in order to reshape the images. You can zoom in and out and use this tool. This is the circle that you can use in order to reshape the picture. You can also adjust the size of this tool by the help of this slider in the middle of the screen. You can reshape swell, meaning that you should move the circle to the spot where swell needs to be applied. You can use the slider to swell in or swell out like this, and you can use the twirl option, moving the circle to the spot where twirl needs to be applied like this. And you can also restore parts of the image, so you should brush over the areas that you want to restore to the original. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.